Hi there and welcome to Healthy Choices. Get ready and make sure to stay until the end because in this video, we are going to talk about 10 healthy snacks that can help you lose weight. Before getting started with this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss a new video. So let's get started with the list of 10 healthy snacks that can help you lose weight. 1. Dark chocolate and almonds. Dark chocolate and almonds make a rich, satisfying, and portable snack. Dark chocolate is loaded with flavanols that may lower blood pressure and reduce heart disease risk, provided the chocolate contains at least 70% cocoa solids. Almonds are high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fat and have beneficial effects on blood sugar control. Studies also show that they can reduce appetite and help you lose weight. Both dark chocolate and almonds are high in magnesium. 1 ounce, 30 grams, of each provides about 300 calories in total, depending on cocoa content. 2. Edamame. Edamame is a dish of steamed unripened soybeans. It's a great snack for vegetarians or anyone who enjoys their unique flavor and texture. Edamame is rich in the antioxidant camphorol, which has been shown to cause weight loss and lower blood sugar in animal studies. It is also high in folate and several minerals, including iron, magnesium, and manganese. 1 cup, 155 grams, of edamame has around 17 grams of protein and 180 calories. 3. Marinated artichoke hearts. Marinated artichoke hearts are delicious and nutrient-dense. They're a good source of fiber, vitamin K1, and folate. Studies suggest that artichokes help protect the cells lining your arteries and contain prebiotic fibers that nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving of artichoke hearts marinated in olive oil contains about 190 calories. 4. Dried unsweetened coconut. Dried coconut is tasty, filling, and portable. It's high in fat, including medium-chain fats that may increase metabolism, promote weight loss, and improve brain function in people with impaired memory. Make sure to get the unsweetened type, since many packaged options harbor sugar. Unsweetened dried coconut packs about 185 calories in 1 ounce, 28 grams. A wide variety of dried, unsweetened coconut is available online. 5. Spicy avocado. Avocados are among the most nutritious and satisfying foods on the planet. Studies show that they can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, improve symptoms of arthritis, and protect your skin from sun damage. What's more, avocados are high in fiber, potassium, magnesium, and monounsaturated fat. Sprinkle half a medium avocado with salt and a dash of cayenne pepper for a savory, filling snack with around 130 calories. 6. Canned salmon or sardines. Canned fish is a fantastic, healthy snack that requires no refrigeration. Salmon and sardines are extremely high in omega-3 fatty acids that decrease your risk of heart disease and other health problems. Fish is also a great source of weight loss-friendly protein, potassium, and vitamin B12. Many types of fish are also high in magnesium. 7. Whey protein shake. A whey protein shake is a good snack when you need something substantial until your next meal. Studies show that whey protein can help you gain muscle, lose fat, and improve body composition. Many great whey protein supplements are available online. Look for types without added sugar. 8. A piece of cheese. Cheese is a delicious food that's filling enough to be a snack on its own. Although cheese is high in saturated fat, its role in heart disease is unclear. Some studies suggest that saturated fat doesn't raise your risk of heart disease. Additionally, studies show that up to 2 servings of cheese per day don't raise LDL, bad cholesterol levels, even in people with elevated levels. A 2-ounce, 60-gram, serving of cheese provides about 14 grams of protein and 200 calories. 9. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest and most weight loss-friendly foods you can eat. They pack plenty of protein, as well as vitamins K2 and B12. Eggs are incredibly filling and may reduce the number of calories you eat for many hours, which should help you lose weight. Although their high cholesterol content gave them a bad reputation for years, more recent studies suggest that moderate egg intake doesn't have any effect on your risk of heart disease. 2 large, hard-boiled eggs contain about 140 calories and 13 grams of protein. 10. Chia pudding. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber and can be included in all types of diets, including vegan and ketogenic diets. They're also high in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Although they don't have much flavor, chia seeds do take on an interesting, jelly-like consistency when soaked in liquid. This snack has fewer than 200 calories. Thank you for watching this video and making it to the end. Check out some other videos from Healthy Choices and make sure to like this video and comment to let us know you made it to the end.